doing this, you want to make sure the cardinal IG tag is pointing toward the interior of the home on the right hand corner, and you'll see that engraved right there. Alright, so the glass is back in. We're going to take our glazing bead and put them back in reverse. So when I started, I took the top and bottom out first. I'm going to go and put the sides in first, as they are the longer pieces. I'll start from the top. This will be easier on the field right now. There's no frame behind the window holding it in place, but the process is the same. That one. Top and bottom. Actually, I'm missing a step. Before we do that, we want to put the keepers back in. So let me go ahead and do that. When you're putting the keepers back in, you want the grooved side facing toward you, flat side toward the window. After that, it's just finding the holes, which is pretty easy. Screw that right on in. Same thing, groove side toward you, flat side toward the window, exterior of the home. Now we take our sash, pop it back into the balancer opening, right in there. You'll feel it slide right over here. There we go. Make sure it locks, and you should be good to go.